It's kind of the background of everything. I mean, you gotta think, we wouldn't have our tables without a blueprint to be able to build that table. But for that, you have to have the design already made and be able to be in a format to be 3D printed. And that's why the computer aided modeling and design is so important, because you can't have all of that without the computer aided design.
Learning CAD is a hands-on activity. It's just like any other class that you have to build mind and muscle memory, and you need to learn where to click within the computer screen. But there's also another half where there's higher level critical thinking, and that's where I will be working with students on how to problem solve. We go through a creative engineering problem solving process. We will go through and we'll identify a personal problem to solve and then solve it using their CAD skills. And in my AutoCAD class, they will develop a blueprint and an implementation plan. In the parametric modeling class, they will develop a solid model, and they'll go through rapid prototyping stages of various different techniques, and they will 3D print that model to be able to solve their real world problems.
It was important for Delta to invest in this program because it really sets us up to be successful in this field. We have top of the line 3D printers. We have a top of the line machine shop, top of the line welders, and we're trained to use all these things. So when we go out into the workplace, we're using the same, whether it be hardware, whether it be machines, we're using the same stuff in the field that we use here at school. I feel like that's crucial. And also having teachers who worked in the field, as Professor Steve, as most of the faculty here, working in the field just gives us that extra backing and that deeper level of learning.
I've had a lot of classmates in the same classes down the line. It's not, with it being such a smaller program and, smaller class sizes, you usually have the same people almost in every single class. And you get to grow together. And I think that's the beautiful thing about this program, is being able to have that experience.
I like to make stuff, okay? I like to invent and make things. And basically, when you're going through the design and prototyping stages, there's a lot of questions that you just don't know. And the faster that you can fail and learn from that failure, the more that you will learn. And I've been 3D printing for a long time, and just 2 days ago, I was printing stuff and it failed, it didn't work. And so I had to iterate and reprint. And so I'm a big fan of iterative design, where you will design something and print it and test it and evaluate it and iterate on the design and then reprint it until you get it right. That's just the beginning, right? There's so much more that you can do, and I would love to be able to show the students how they can do that.